Here's my video on simple division. Okay, let's start over here. So when we see a division problem, it's basically asking us to divide the number on the inside by the number on the outside, okay? So let's say I don't know my multiplication tables and it makes it really hard for me to divide. Well, I got a multiplications chart and I'll show you how to use it right now. So we start at the 7 on top because that's the number that's on the outside. Here we go. Then we want to stop once we see the number 49. Here it is. And then we slide all the way to our left and see what number we find. And we see a 7. So 49 divided by 7 is 7. And we know that because 7 times 7 is 49. We subtract, we have none left over. Let's do another one. We have 48 divided by 6. So I'm going to start at the 6 and go down, 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 down until I see 48. And I'm going to slide all the way to my left and I see 8. So 48 divided by 6 is 8. And I know that because 8 times 6 is 48. Okay. Next one, we have 84. Well, guess what? 2 can go into 8 and 2 can also go into 4. So I'm going to go to my 2 and slide all the way till I see the 8. 2, slide all the way down till I see the 8. Go to my left and I see the number 4. So 2 goes into 8 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. We subtract and guess what? We bring down a number because it's what's left over. So we write the 4 there. Now how many times can 2 go into 4? I'm going to go to 2. Go down till I see the 4. Slide all the way to the left. And I see 2. 2 times 2 is 4. I subtract, I'm left with 0. Now in those cases, it goes into those numbers evenly. What happens if it doesn't? No number times 3 is 19. So what we have to do is get close to the 19 without going over. So I'm going to stay focused. I'm going to find the number 3. And I'm going to slide all the way down. Now I have 18 and I have 21. Now I want to get as close to 19 without getting over. So 21's too big, but I can use 18. So I slide all the way to my left and I get the number 6. But 6 times 3 is not 19. 6 times 3 is 18. So now I can subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. There is no number left to bring down. So I have kind of like 1 left over. We express that by saying R1, which means remainder 1, okay? So it doesn't go into 19 evenly. It goes into it 6 times with 1 left over. Let's try another one. We have 41 divided by 8. So I'm going to try to get close to 41 without going over. I look for my 8. I slide all the way down. I see I have 40 and 48. We can't use 48 because you're going over. We want to get close to 41 without going over. So 40's got to be it. So I go to the 40, slide all the way to the left, and I see a 5. So 41 divided by 8 gives me 5. But 5 times 8 is not 41. 5 times 8 is 40. And then I subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0, so I don't need to write that. I have no number to bring down, so I'm left with remainder 1.